Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today we celebrate the memorial of St. Elizabeth Ann Seton, who is the first American-born saint. She was born Elizabeth Ann Bailey in the year 1774. She was married at the age of 19, where she moved with her husband to Italy, and where they had 5 children. Her husband died of tuberculosis in 1803, and so Elizabeth was a widow with 5 children at the age of 28. But there was more to Elizabeth. She founded the Sisters of Charity of St. Joseph. She founded a Catholic school and thereby planted the seeds of Catholic education in the United States. There's many things we can learn from Elizabeth Ann Seton. I think one of them is this, that no matter what our state in life, or no matter what our stage in life might be, there's always something more that God calls us to. There's always something more that God needs us to do for the world. So I invite us all to reflect on that today. What is it that God is calling me to do at this stage of my life? What is it that God needs me to do to make his reign of God more a reality in our world? Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Monday.